Hey everyone, welcome back to Learnova. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram music when certain songs aren't showing up. It can be frustrating when you're trying to add a specific song to your story, reel, or post, but you can't find it in Instagram's music library. Let's go through a simple fix that may help. First, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, scroll down until you find Account Type and Tools. Tap on it, then select Account Type. If you're currently using a professional account, some songs may not be available due to licensing restrictions. To access a larger music library, tap Switch Account Type. Then choose Switch to Personal Account and confirm your choice. Instagram will take a few moments to update your account settings. Once the switch is complete, go back and try searching for the song again. In many cases, changing from a professional account to a personal account allows additional songs to appear in Instagram music. Keep in mind that not every song in the world is available on Instagram, so some tracks may still be missing. However, if the song is available on Instagram, this method can often solve the problem. And that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram music when songs aren't showing up. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to Learnova for more simple and helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.